Hello guys, C Mickey and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are wondering why I haven't posted videos for 3 days, it's because I was sick. I'm feeling a lot better now. I still have a slight cough and a tiny bit of lightheadedness, but I'm fine right now. But I am back for some videos. Probably for tomorrow's video, I am going to do like a best of this year, videos of this year, whatever. I'm really excited to do that one. But today I'm going to be reacting to 17 of the best scenes from a hat on Whose Line Is It Anyway? I love this show. I haven't really seen all of it. I've only seen one. I think I've seen one pretty much. I thought it was pretty funny, but let's just get to it.
If adults settle disputes the way kids do.
All right, Jenkins. So you're not going to accept my proposal for the merger?
No.
Okay.
Jeopardy questions where the Whose Line cast members are the answers.
I'll take people who sit behind a desk and do nothing for 500.
Unfortunate wedding night confessions. Or just use your own if you have to.
I'm Drew CAREY.
Oh no!
Bad parental motivational speeches.
A teacher. Honey, prostitutes make twice that money.
What the Whose Line cast will ask Santa for this Christmas.
Please, Santa, just a pair of sunglasses. I can't believe I'm missing bulb jokes.
The good news and the bad news.
The good news is the surgery was successful and now you look like a movie star. The bad news is that movie star is Drew CAREY.
Merry Christmas, Tommy! Look, it's Geppetto on DVD. People you wouldn't want to meet at a nudist colony. Oh, man.
Oh no.
Dr. Seuss inspired pickup lines.
Come home with me. I'm not scary. I'm really rich. I'm Drew CAREY.
Could you do it with a friend? Could you do it end to end? Would you do it on the goat? Would you do it with my coat? Would you do it in a tree? Would you do it while I see? Hee 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 hee.
U.S. cities that will never have a song written about them.
We call it Butte, not Butt, Montana.
What's really going through George W. Bush's mind during cabinet meetings?
There isn't even a cabinet in here.
Poems about embarrassing moments.
It was my first time. I felt such elation. Oh no, premature ejaculation.
This is another one. Pull the string on the Drew CAREY doll, and it says... Whatever you want, baby. I don't care.
Oh, Mimi and I are the same person.
If celebrities had been the first people to walk on the moon.
Well, this is dry and barren as I am.
whispers in his date's ear.
Oh no.
Keep the change.
It's things you can say to your dog, but not your girlfriend.
Come.
Refreshingly honest statements that could earn you a black eye.
Drew doesn't do a damn thing. Read off the card. Just read. And that's all.
If lessons in love and sex were taught in the style of Sesame Street.
Abierto. Cerrado.
What are you doing?
The letter H.
Titles for Colin Mochree's autobiography.
You don't need hair to satisfy every woman you've met.
See, I haven't seen the older ones when Drew Carey was the host. I've seen one episode when Aisha Tyler was the host. Those were funny too. But I like these. That is my reaction to 17 of the best scenes from a hat on Whose Line Is It Anyway? But let me know what you guys think of the video in the comments below. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Later, guys.